Hi everyone, this is CTS Auto Service Repair. Today I'm working on a 2001 Toyota P04. This is applicable to all Toyotas from 2000 down to 2006 or 10. So I have a trouble code. I was having an issue with this vehicle. Whenever you start the vehicle, it start jerking and the check engine lights will start blinking. It start blinking. So the customer called me and told me that his vehicle is having an issue. I went to pick the vehicle. I couldn't even drive the vehicle down to the workshop. So I have to apply wisdom on it to bring it down to the workshop. And it was not raising beyond 3 miles. It was only 3 miles. So I came back. I diagnosed it. I used my diagnosing tools to diagnose it, and I found out the trouble code came out. It was a misfiring code. I noticed it from the beginning. It was a misfiring code. It was P0. It was a misfiring code. Sorry, it was P0301. That's a misfiring code indicating that the cylinder number one have an issue. Then speaking another code P04 P0441. That's referring to evaporating. It is referring to vacuum. Evaporating vacuum. I will show you the vacuum that is referring to. So I was able to fix it. I have the solution got done. There's a different code that is speaking to, which is the oxygen sensor, but that was not an issue right now. But the main issue is for me to fix the misfiring that is causing the vehicle not to move. What I did, guys, first I normally do this to every vehicle I normally work. Before me going beyond what I'm expecting, I have to check from the basics. So I went to inspect the plugs, which one about how their performance are working. So I found out the plugs at the number one quite alright. It's not working perfectly. It was working very bad. While the rest of it, the 2 and 3 was working perfect, and the 4 was not working much perfect like the other one. So I have to. This is what people don't normally do. Most mechanic, they fail to do this. This is what they need to do. When you see an issue like this, or when you are changing a spark plug, enable to service the injector nozzle. Always do that when you change your spark plug. It helps a lot. When you change your spark plug, it helps a lot because there's so many dents on that injector nozzle that you don't know about. You have to service the injector nozzle too for it to have a clear and successful work done. So I did those two. As you can see, the vehicle is working perfectly. I will show you guys the plug. I will show you the evaporating valve control I'm talking about. Okay, guys, you can see my engine is working perfectly well. So this was the spark plug I bought. It's a new brand Toyota, but this was the old plug that was in. As you can see, it was the plug that was inside the vehicle initially. As you can see, so I have to change these plugs and service the nozzle. These are the plugs, just in the four at the same time. The nozzle at the back, service the nozzle, and you're okay with it. So this is the valve I'm talking about. It picks. You know, it normally picks the valve once there's a pressure on the fuel tank. So what you just do to clear this code, sometimes normally this valve normally got spoiled. You can test it manually by using a testing by using a meter to test it whether it's reading, or use battery to test it whether you're using. What you just do is that you go to the fuel tank, raise the fuel tank. This thing I'll show you guys. Just raise this thing, open it, you can see the gas is out. Once you're able to do this, once you're able to do this trouble code P0441 will just go off immediately. Thanks for watching. This is CTS Auto Service Repair. God bless you. Do to subscribe and share the video. Thanks.